Communications skill. Communication, the imparting or exchanging of information by speaking, writing, or using some other medium and means of sending or receiving information. The word communication comes from the Latin word communicare, means to share. Communication is the sharing of information, facts, ideas, opinions, or emotions between two or more individuals. Importance of communication skill. It let us share our thoughts, emotions, and ideas in an understandable, clear, and effective way. It enables us to inform, share knowledge, express feelings, and to influence others. Effective communication, better response from all stakeholders, quick in problem solving, strong decision making, more productivity, consistency in the workflow, strong business relation, better control, and advanced professional image. Elements of communication cycle. Communication involves a two-way exchanging of information, that is, giving and receiving of information. There are different elements of communication cycle which can be considered in the following categories. Sender. In case of a written message, the person who introduces or sends the message is known as a sender. Ideas. An idea is a plan or thought generated in mind which may be presented as an opinion. Communication channel. It refers to a medium or channel like air, water, satellite, etc., through which the message is transmitted to the person or an audience. Receiver. It might be a person or a group of people who is the reader, listener, or the observer of the message. Feedback. When a receiver communicates his or her response back to the sender, the process is called feedback. Methods of communication. Verbal communication. Verbal communication is the use of sounds and words to express yourself. It is the common method of communication that enables direct understanding and intact interpretation. It is of two types: oral or spoken communication, when communication is established through telephonic conversation, face to face talking, etc. Writing communication, when communication is made using writing or typed messages in the form of an email, SMS, or by using any other format including photos, videos, music, etc. Advantages of verbal communication is: it is a fast method of communication. It provides you to get the quick response. It enables to understand the mood of the other person. It look more reliable than other conventional method of communication. The speaker and the listener may keep changing reply one after another as they communicate in real time, but it has some disadvantages also. It fails to fill the gap of cultural differences between the sender and receiver if there is a language barrier. As there is not much of time, the delivery may be misinterpreted if the receiver does not understand instantly. Non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication involves the use of visual or non-verbal such as facial expression, eye or body movements, gestures, and many other without speaking. Public speaking. It is generally one-sided communication in which one speaker says, "The 3Ps method is a very helpful thing to mold yourself as an effective speaker." Prepare. It begins with thinking about your topic and thinking about the points which everybody would love to listen. Practice. Try to practice reading the content before a mirror and make sure to maintain a proper pace while reading it. Perform. Before speaking on a stage, make yourself comfortable and stay relaxed. Take deep breaths and start speaking. Visual communication. There is no use of language. It is also considered as an oldest form of communication. Visual communication uses images, drawings, signs, graphics, typography, etc. Perspectives in communication. Perspective communication means having a prefixed idea about someone in terms of behavior. Perspective means having a prefixed idea about someone in terms of behavior. It is a way of thinking in which people develop their own views regarding a person, which affects in maintaining a perfect communication between them. For example, communication between teacher and student.